Hello, are you tired of your slow PC? Let's speed it up with Velotic. Velotic is the most advanced and complete Windows optimizer you'll find there on the internet. Installing Velotic is very easy. You need to click on the setup file and follow the steps. This new version of Velotic, namely 2.0.0, has over 500 features to help you in gaming, editing, coding and other workflows. If you're using Velotic for the first time, click on Register. Otherwise, click on Login. If you are a new user, we will mail your credentials to your email address. Users upgrading from an older version can log in with your username and key. If you have a referral code from your friend, enter it while registering. Share your referral code with your friends and receive exciting rewards when they sign up. The new Velotic interface has a lot more detailed features. Now, it blends in with your desktop with a fan-favorite arrow glass look. I will use stock Windows 11 to demonstrate how this app works. Windows 10 is also supported. But before tweaking our system, let us check the current disk usage. 27.4 GB. That's a lot. Let's fix everything without deleting any necessary files. Head over to the Debloat page and choose the type of debloat you want. I will go for the normal debloat option. The debloat process generally takes 30 minutes to an hour on an average computer. It will turn your OS into a tiny OS in just one click. Say goodbye to the traditional method of making a bootable USB to install all OS where you lose all your data. After finishing, let's check the disk usage now. The difference is visible. You won't find another powerful and easy to use optimizer compared to Velotic. Let's do the math. We have brought the usage down by more than 1/3 of its original. It's almost a 70% reduction. Now that we have peeked into the one-click debloat option, let us focus on the other exclusive features. If you're a gamer, here you have more than 100 games to choose to optimize. You can search for games in the search panel. Velotic provides options to apply some tweaks that help in gaming or toggle Windows features to boost your FPS. You can clean the RAM, temp files, caches and logs with just one click. Let me show you how the RAM clean works. I have opened a Task Manager window where you can see the current RAM usage. Now, you can see that the RAM usage goes down as soon as I click the Clean RAM button. Cleaning your junk files will keep your PC fast and reduce lags and stutters while gaming. You have the option to tune your GPU for optimal performance. There is a wide variety of GPUs available to optimize in Velotic. If you want to optimize all games in one shot without selecting one by one, then click the button on the last. If you play some PC game you want to have in Velotic optimizations, comment below. I will do my best to add the optimizations to that game. Next comes the cleanup page. Cleaning up junk every time is a repetitive task that makes you feel bored. All the checked junk will clear every time your PC starts. The bottom panel offers a place for customizable automatic RAM management. The right panel provides options to clean any junk file in one click. So what if you have a drive where you want more space without deleting any files? You can compress any file or folder, including the C drive, using Velotic. It can save up to 70% of space without deleting any file. This process takes time, depending on the speed of the drive and the files in it. Moving on to the optimization page, you have more ways to optimize hardware and disk, apply speed-up patches and refresh buggy or faulty components. Below, you get more options to fix lag, spikes, stutters or latency that might ever appear in your PC. Optimizations have no value without options to repair broken components. So, the Velotic team has provided features to fix some issues with your PC. Finally, you can click Apply All Optimizations if you wish. Do you have many power plans that you switch between? The Power Plans page has many predefined power plans to boost your PC's performance or power efficiency. You can add or remove custom power plans that you can apply with one click. Never lose the POW files again. We have already looked through the Debloat page at the beginning of the video. So, we'll skip it now. Next, we pick our focus on the tweaks page. Filled with tweaks to customize your PC, Velotic lets you achieve the goal of building your own custom OS. You can add items to the right-click context menu of your PC. I'll add Open with command prompt to show you how it works. Don't be fooled by the visible tweaks. There are other pages for each type of tweak. You can find the ones you need and apply them. I will add more tweaks in new and frequent updates. If the app screen looks too bright to read, go to the Beta Features page and increase the app clarity to the point where it is visible. You can type the value or pull the slider to change the app clarity. Let's get into the productivity part of it. You can install an app on your PC with one click. I will show you how to install Brave browser. Find the app on the page, or use the search bar to search. Then click on the install icon, and it will start installing. As you can see, the installation is complete. Velotic saves the time spent searching for software executables and installing them. You need to update your drivers for your PC to run smoothly and for all your hardware components to work. However, manually searching to download drivers is time-consuming. Using Velotic, you can search and update all of them with a click. I have provided the latest version of the driver updater. It contains a database of the most recent drivers for your PC. There are many tweaks in Velotic. You may get tired of searching to run them every time. Scheduler is a new feature in Velotic. You can create a schedule, then go to any page and select the tweaks to add to the scheduler. You can have unlimited tweaks to a schedule. Try to keep less amount to prevent your PC from freezing while running. Save schedules by going to the scheduler page. Write a name for your schedule and click the Save button beside the name. After saving, you can run or set it to run at every startup or run it when you install Velotic. On the Beta Features page, you can play around with the app theme. You can increase the app's transparency to blend into the surroundings. Transparency is quite helpful when using Velotic with other apps or games. You can also switch between clear, blur, glass and default themes. The default theme has 3 sub-themes, each containing the background of present and past editions of Velotic. The last feature of Velotic is multi-language support. Velotic currently supports 102 languages. However, this feature is in beta. Translations may not be very accurate. I will add fixes to the translations and new languages in future updates. Since I am a solo developer in Team Velotic, I cannot learn every language. Please provide feedback in the Discord server. Link in About page of Velotic and description of this video. You can now add a profile picture to identify your Velotic account. Your profile details are available when you click the user icon. You can share your referral code from here. You learn referral rewards when you reach any of the reward tiers. Velotic is now available at a 50% discount at only $4.99 for a limited time. Claim your exclusive key before it is gone. Cryptocurrencies are also accepted. Check the video description for more details.